You guys, a lot of you guys have been asking me about space too. I mean, I don't really want to do the full TA on TradingView right now. I'll probably do it later, but just looking at the year chart, space has been creating, higher highs for the last couple of months, ever since March of this year. Even right now, I'd probably even buy right now. There's a solid chance that its momentum is going to keep driving it towards 25 and even back towards $37. Like I would not be surprised if we break out and we do a straight shot to $40. Like 100%, I would not be surprised if this happens. I would actually be more surprised if we dip down all the way back to like $10. Like I'm actually more bullish on this right now as I'm seeing the year chart without even looking at technicals, just naked trading right now. I would 100% probably buy in this and hold it for a little bit, because it does look like we're about to break out towards the $40 level. Like it just looks like that, right? It keeps creating higher highs. Momentum is there. The volume is obviously there. But yeah, look at that. Look at you guys can see the chart right now. It's creating perfectly clear higher highs, and it's doing a really good job at sustaining a constant upward trend. So yeah, space is definitely, even right now, I'd probably I don't know when we'll shoot up here, but it does look like it's getting ready. I would not be surprised if we hit $40 space in the next month or so. Like I would not, by the end of year, let's say, right? But I wouldn't be surprised.